3 o'r gloch. Croeso. Croeso nôl. Helen dwi. Croeso I 10 am 3. Shwd I chi? Heddiw, today, yn Ton yr Efail, mae hi'n braf. Mae hi'n braf iawn. Heddiw, mae Eiri yn helpu. Diolch Eiri. So if you've got any questions or comments as we go through the lesson, Eiri is on hand to answer. Okay, heddiw, Gwers 26. Yesterday in Gwers 25, we looked a bit at the word the, which is of course very important, and in Welsh, alters. It can either be before a consonant or before a vowel. And we came across this because we had the word oergell, fridge. Try it. Oergell. Oergell. So I asked the question, ble mae'r caws? And the answer was an oergell. But I'm going to show you the prompts I've got for today. First of all, just put the which sounds like an actually before a word, or the before our prompts. Ready? Okay. A pasta. A coffee. A llaeth. A te. Yr afal. Yeah, that's the different one. Afal, vowel, afal. A chi? Da iawn. Gwin. A gwin. Siocledi. A siocledi. A oren. Yr oren. Da iawn. So all were apart from yr afal, yr oren, and of course yr oergell. Answer me again. Ble mae'r llaeth? Yn yr oergell. Ble mae'r caws? Yn oergell. But if you're looking for something else in the house, coffee, I don't keep it yn yr oergell. Mae'r coffi yn y cwbwrdd. Cwbwrdd. I'm sure you can guess the meaning. It sounds like that, doesn't it? Cwbwrdd. Cupboard. Try it. Cupboard. In the cupboard. And a cupboard. Da iawn. Okay, I'm going to ask you where these things are. Ble mae'r coffi? Yn y cupboard. Ble mae'r siocledi? Yn y cupboard. Ble mae'r te? Yn y cupboard. Ble mae'r bisgedi? Yn y cupboard. Ond, but, ble mae'r llaeth? Yn yr oergell. Da iawn. And all of this started with our dialogues and asking how many phrases around the house like, is there any milk here? Oes yma. Oes llaeth yma. So, if that's how we ask, is there anything here? How about anything? Okay. Now, does dim. Because there's still the oes there, but there's also a D, and there's still a D with negative things, and we know that dim already. Does dim. Does dim. Does dim. Now, I've been thinking about lockdown and what we haven't got. So I'm going to tell you a few things we haven't got at the moment. There isn't any, there aren't any. And even if we haven't, I'm sure you'll understand them. So, does dim rugby and lockdown? Does dim pêl-droed? Does dim gigs? Does dim theatre? At the beginning, people were saying, does dim pasta? Does dim pasta? Now, my Goblin way, people are still saying, does dim blawd? Yn y siopau. Does dim blawd. Does dim blawd. Have a look at it. Blawd. Blawd. Does dim. So I'm gonna give you the word. You put it in sentence. Okay? I am. Rugby. Does dim rugby. Pêl-droed. Does dim pêl-droed. Gigs. Does dim gigs. Theatre. Does dim theatre. Does dim pasta. Does dim blawd. If I were to ask you the question, is there any for oes blawd? You can answer nac oes. And then if you want to add the sentence, does dim blawd. Remember, oes in a question, oes ateb. So, but there are other things going on in lockdown. So what do we have? This time maybe you won't be familiar with all the words, but I think you can guess them. Mae siopau. Mae bysiau. Bus. Travel to work on the bus. Mae bysiau. Mae trenau. Mae papurau newydd. Mae papurau newydd. Mae takeaways. Mae petrol. Yeah, mae petrol. Now, do you remember, how do we say he is? Mae or yn y gogledd, mae o. She is or it is. Mae hi, like I said at the top of the lesson today, mae hi'n braf. Mae hi'n braf iawn. To say there is or there are, we just take the A or the O. Oh, there is mae. So, there is mae llaeth. Mae llaeth yma. There is tea. Mae te. Mae te yma. Back to the lockdown theme. Tell me there are shops. Siopau. Mae siopau. There are buses. Bysiau. Mae bysiau. There are trains. Trenau. Mae trenau. There is petrol. Mae petrol. So if I were to ask, oes petrol, you'd answer, oes mae petrol. So this will be, I'll ask you questions about this in lockdown. Okay. And lawn, oes rugby. Nac oes, does dim rugby. Oes. Nac oes. Theatre. Oes takeaways. Oes takeaways. Well, some, yeah? Some. My takeaways. Oes pêl-droed. Does dim pêl-droed. Not at the moment, at least. Oes petrol. Oes mae petrol. Da iawn. Nawr te. Today's challenge. Dydd Gwener is a bank holiday. So, Dydd Gwener, dyn gwylio fideo bank holiday eiri, gwyn ac angharad. Ac mae gwyn, eiri ac angharad. We're going to be discussing lliwiau, colours. Now, you can learn on your own. There are no patterns there, it's just a list of vocabulary. So, heno, tonight, or at least before 3 o'r gloch tomorrow, I want you to go into our website, learnwelsh.cymru, to the entry level and look at Uned 3. There you'll find some activities to help you learn the colours. Pob look. Right, weekend coming. Does dim siocledi yma. Does dim bisgedi yma. Does dim win yma. We need to stock up. Taro, hwyl!